Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making chicken kebabs. Tender, smoky, and super simple to make at home. Let's get started. First, grate in 5 garlic cloves using a microplaner. Next, a little fresh ginger. Now for some herbs, fresh oregano leaves and parsley, finely chopped. The aroma is already so good right now. We'll season with 3 teaspoons of salt, add 100 grams of curd or plain yogurt works fine too. This keeps our chicken nice and tender. A good spoonful of paprika powder for that smoky kick. And the juice of 1 fresh lime. Mix this all together until get a smooth creamy marinade. Now our chicken goes in. I'm using 1 kilogram of boneless chicken thighs cut into nice big cubes. Thighs are more flavorful and juicy than breast, but you can use your favorite cut. Get in there with your hands or a spoon and make sure every piece is well coated. Now let's cover this up and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. If you have got more time, even better. The longer it sits, the more flavor it soaks up. Alright, after marinating, it's time to skewer them up. I'm using flat skewers today. They are easy to turn and help cook the chicken evenly. Lay them out on your baking tray or grill rack. Now bake at 180 Celsius for about 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, flip them over to get a nice even cook on both sides. And here they are. Look at that. Perfectly cooked, golden, and the smell absolutely incredible. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did making it. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. More easy and flavor packed recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.